What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to unbox a nebulizer which is sent by Niscomet brand. So let's quickly unbox the package. Here I want to tell that what is nebulizer for those who don't know. Well, a nebulizer turns liquid medicine into a very fine mist that a person can inhale through a face mask or mouthpiece. Okay, now coming to the product, open the package and have a look of nebulizer and the accessories which comes with it. We get the instruction manual and warranty card. On this, all the crucial information about the nebulizer was printed. Then we get a pamphlet where all the products are listed which are manufactured by the Niscomet. Anyone can buy these products from Amazon or Flipkart, or for more details visit their website. All the links are given in the description box. So we get a few filters which are required to change after every 30 days or when the filters turn grey. Later in this video I will show where the filters are used. Here is an air tube. The quality and the length are perfect for its operation. Both ends have identical connectors. Any side is used for connections. We get two face masks, child mask and adult mask. Both the masks are easy to wear and both are comfortable. Next we get the medicine chamber which holds up to 5 ml of medicine. This is mouthpiece and it is its connector. And here is the main unit. One side there is a filter section and the tube connector, and at the front here is on off switch. On the front side and back side there are fan holes for airflow. On the bottom there is a model number which is NB119 and some other information was printed. So here is a power cable and the plug. To replace the filter, pull out the filter cover to replace the filter whenever it is required. Now let's see how to use the nebulizer. Plug the device to the AC plug and have the compressor on flat and stable surface. Attach one end of air tube to air tube connector located on the side of the compressor. Connect another end of air tube to the medicine chamber and put the medicine into the chamber. In my case, I am using the water for demonstration purpose. Next step is attaching the mouthpiece or mask as per your choice with the medicine chamber. Then put the mask on your face and turn on the device. The liquid gets converted in the mist form. Through the face mask, this mist goes to the lung. So this is all about the nebulizer compressor. I hope you will like this video. For any queries, do comment, I reply you. See you in next video. Goodbye.